Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If your significant other won't ditch their old, scrubby slippers, you'll convince them if you go with this great pair from UPIShi. This is a great indoor-outdoor slipper that is the comfiest of comfortable. You'll get the best support that you can find with this great pair of slippers. You can say goodbye to foot woes thanks to their super cushioned support, including a really great insert that helps with arches and with other foot issues. The slippers are great for indoor and outdoor thanks to the really rugged sole that is also slip-proof. I really think that this cushion is so thick when you look at it. The top has a great canvas material that is really easy to wash and dry clean, and you can see that the slippers easily slip on and slip off. So you can borrow them if you need to make a quick run out of the bed. These slippers are well made, super durable, and will convince even the worst of slipper wearers to go with a new pair. They're super supportive and comfy, and you'll probably end up borrowing them as well. But that's just my point of view.